Welcome to this product update of Manager CPQ from CRM Dynamics. We would like to show you two new features in Manager CPQ. The first is to be able to add recommendations into an existing configuration. And the second, to be able to create a brand new configuration product. We can search and add an existing configuration onto the grid. Here we can see a configuration around one main product. When we select recommendation for this product, we can then see the product options. We can select the items we want, in this case 2 choices. We can then select the choice we want. And every time we add a new product into the grid, the cost and sales price is being rolled up into the configuration line. You will also notice that each of the child products in the configuration has a red icon and an icon with a black cross. This informs the document generator to not print the line, and don't show the cost and sales price in the summary totals to ensure there is no double counting. When we activate the quote, we can see that the description of the configured product has been enhanced to show information from its related child recommendation products. And the longer product description has been built up from all of the child products. This can now be used to generate the output document. When we print this quote, we can see that only the configured product has been added to the output document. The related products are not printed. The descriptions now include all the details of the related products. This is just an example of what can be done with Manager with enhanced functionality using standard Dynamics workflow. An additional enhancement we have made is where the user can create a brand new configuration product in the product database by bundling other products together. We start by adding an existing main unit to the grid. Then we select the Create Configuration button. A dialog box opens up, and you can edit the product ID and description of the new product. A new configuration line would appear. Then we can choose our recommendations from the main unit. As we saw previously, the configuration product has the cost and sale prices rolled up. And the child recommendation lines will not be printed and not added to the price summary. This concluded the product update for Manager. We hope you found it useful. Please contact us if you need more details.